Yeah. Okay, so we should be recording right now, right?
It does say recording in the top left.
Okay. And then I'll press begin.
All right. No time limit, so we can always just come back later, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I can actually do this one for the project we just did.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I know how I caused an error, but
Okay. Yeah. I'll put the text on the text doc and then you can share your screen.
okay.
Yeah, I'll stop sharing.
All right. Let me do, it says host disable participant screen
Oh,
share.
oops. Yeah. Okay. Should be enabled now.
Just give me 1 second. I gotta do the duo authentication stuff. Okay. Established, and then
But
oh,
Jacob, are you able to perhaps like put all of the questions just in the doc?
Oh, yeah.
I guess it might make it easier for me to like look and then think of what kind of code I want to use for that question.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's 3 problems. Yeah.
Oh, there's only 3? Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet
Yeah.
cows.
And then I'll pull the table as well. Yeah, but 1 and 2, we need to create 2 errors, right? Or yeah, so we need to create 2 errors from this list in the table.
Can I like comment out something that fixed an error in that count?
Yeah, I think
yeah,
that
I think so.
counts. Yeah, because he just wants the.
So
All right.
Oh, yeah.
is my thing. Okay, so let me make this terminal bigger so you can see. Here's the heap summary. It says definitely lost some there. If you want to take a screenshot of that, I can do it too.
Oh, yeah. We need to actually upload the make file, the code, and the log. So I think. Yeah, actually, I think we need to use the log flag for Valgrind.
Okay, yeah. I can edit the make file. I just want to show that, like, make sure that we are actually have this, which is it asked for in the question. What was it specifically asking for?
You either have to have definitely lost, indirectly lost, possibly lost, or still reachable.
Okay, so we have that, right?
Yeah, definitely
Definitely
lost.
lost, definitely lost, definitely lost. Okay. All right, so let me edit the make file. Can you guys help me out with this? I think
Yeah.
it's in the notes too. Let me
Yeah,
pull it
it's
up.
-- log - file.
Okay. Where do I put it? I'll just put it right
Let's
before
just
track
put it
origins.
anywhere. It doesn't really
All
matter.
right. Dash track
I don't
what?
know why I never realized
Log
you could
-
put this in
file.
the make file. I never did that. I just ran it on the line. Okay.
Log what?
Log -
Like,
file.
like this or
Yeah.
this?
Dash file. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Wait, what about the OG thing?
OG.
Yeah, because he said to do the dash, you know how he had dash G and also dash OG for the thing in the video?
Do we need to use it though?
I don't know. I just remember him saying it makes it easier. He just had OGs in
I
these.
mean, I guess we could try it later, but I don't think we need it for this error.
Okay. All right. I will.
So is this dash log file? Is that for like the when he lists the parameters? Is that the second one where you're supposed to add the flags that you can have it displayed in the report?
Yeah, I think we might have to make it so it names the log file.
Yeah, they
Yes.
want it as like log1.txt or something.
Yeah, can you do like
Just name
ls and
that
see what it
file.
does?
Yeah, let me just do make val and see what it makes. Okay, it doesn't know, so I think we need to learn the syntax for that.
Oh,
Man,
maybe that dash file is the file name. Oh, yeah, we could do man as well.
we're looking for dash, okay,
Dash-
there it is. There's log
Dash
file.
file, okay, equals file name. So yeah, we go to name it log1.txt.
Log1.txt, okay, Emacs, make file. Hello? What?
You just made
Where
a
am
new
I?
one.
That's worrying, because I thought I already had a make file. Okay, that was weird.
Yeah,
Dash log equal to
log1.txt.
log1.txt. Is that in quotes? I assume not, there's no
Uh,
spaces.
I guess not. Yeah, I think that's fine.
There it is. Okay. It should have made the file. Can you guys still hear me?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sorry, I'm talking.
No, you're good. Okay, there's the log text. Do you just want me to upload this somewhere?
Yeah, I guess you could just make like a folder in the drive lab 8 problem 1.
Okay. Uh, alright. It's uploaded. What's next for question 1?
So for question 1, we need the make file, the code files, and the log.
Okay. Should I just zip them all? I just sent the,
Oh yeah, that's probably good. Yeah.
yeah, I'll just zip it all. Should I do a make clean? No, I can't do a make clean because it would delete the log. Here, let me just do this. I think the VPN is really slowing down my internet, so everything's taking longer.
Yeah. Um,
Let me rename this to question 1 and then I'm gonna upload that to the same place. Mm, mm, mm. All right, it's uploaded. What does it want next?
so for problem 2, we have to make an error with a dynamic array.
Oh, like make a new one
Yeah,
from the
another error,
same
but it
thing.
has to be with a dynamic array. We
You
probably
know
can
can
do
what?
project
that.
one.
I had that error, unless you wanted to do it, Jacob.
Oh yeah, I guess you could do it. Yeah.
Okay, I was just gonna say, I don't know if I want to mess with my project files more than I already have, so. Oh, well, this one doesn't matter, but I mean, like,
Oh well, I'm. I would
well,
have
because,
commented on.
yeah, I would have copied it if I had to, but am I done then, or do you guys want to use? continue
Yeah, I
using
guess
mine.
we'll like switch. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
All right. I can't. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Stop sharing.
Okay. Let's see if I can. I guess I'll share the whole screen. There you go. Okay. So I remember specifically in my code, before I did anything, I like forgot to delete the left and right children when I finished with this array. I would always just like get rid of the entire array without doing
Oh,
that. And so then it would be like you kept losing data, and I was like, I don't understand. Is
okay.
it X? Is
Yeah,
it Control X, Control
Control
F,
C, Control X, Control C to save it.
and then Control X? Oh geez, don't do that.
And then
I don't use.
oh,
Oh.
press Y.
There you go.
Yeah, so it's Control X, Control C, then Y.
Oh, okay, yeah. I usually do this in Visual Code, and then like I go through and do this
Oh
stuff.
yeah, I use a
So
text editor too because Emacs
yeah,
is
I don't
not
like
the
this
easiest.
layout at all. Okay, and then what was the
It
line?
was dash dash log equals log one dot, or no, it was dash dash log dash file equals log one dot txt. Yeah, and I think this needs to come before the dot output.
Fair enough.
Yeah, and then I think there's one other thing that we need.
I can pull up what I had.
Yeah.
1 second.
Log.
Terminal. Emacs.
What was the second
make
part? Sorry.
file.
Yeah.
Log dash.
Yeah, I put in the chat. So it's dash dash
Oh.
log dash file is equal to,
Well,
yeah, here, I'll update this one.
I'm copy pasting what I had
equals
and the one we just did.
log1.txt. And then, so is show leaks that comes after that?
Yeah. Or you could do dash dash track dash origins.
Okay. So that should work, what I just wrote.
Yeah. And then I think
don't you have to do dot output dot out, or does it not
yeah.
matter?
Yeah, she has it.
Yeah, it's right here.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I think you might need dash dash leak check equals full.
Oh, leak check. I'm like, what? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, stop. How did we do this before?
Yeah,
You said I could
Control
just press
X,
Y.
Control
Yeah.
C,
Okay, cool.
then Y.
Okay, beautiful. They're gonna make this. And then we just run it on Valgrind to make sure it
Yeah,
works?
you just do make val. Yeah, since it calls the val grind.
I think can you go back to the make file? I think
Yeah.
there's a syntax error. I think you have to go to the next line.
Oh yeah.
Like
So
right after the colon, you have to go to the next line. And then press tab, I think. Yeah, I think that should do it.
yeah, I think you okay. Yeah.
And then make val.
Yeah.
With no output.
I think
I was
Oh
gonna
yeah,
say
you did
dot
driver
out,
dot
put
out.
dot out.
Yeah,
yeah.
you did driver dot out. So yeah, I think it should be dot slash or driver.
Learning. Okay.
Oh wait.
Uh
I think you maybe
actually,
did my test dot out. Yeah.
well, yeah, there's no driver, so I think it's just my test dot out. Like it is for the
Yeah.
run. I think it's just that.
Yeah, I renamed the driver.cpp to my test.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I think it's just my test.out. Or / my test.out.
So edit the my test dot out.
Or
No,
yeah,
just
edit
at the end
the
of
output.
Valgrind, that would
Yeah.
just be my
Oh,
test
okay,
out
that one
instead
that
of
I was already
output.
on. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
just making sure.
Yeah.
Just making sure. There we go.
It should be my test because there is no output.out, I think, in your file.
Yeah. Yeah.
There
For
we go.
yeah.
Okay. Do this again. Let's go. Did it actually do? Oh no, it passed.
I guess we could check the log.
Oh, also, I would say, I think you need to do make run before you do the Valgrind because the output doesn't exist until you do make run, I think, right?
I'm not sure, but I think it runs it and then does Valgrind. But yeah. You can just
yeah, I
check the
usually
log
don't do make
file.
run. I just do like make. Is the file in here?
Yeah, log1.txt.
Okay. .txt. Oh, okay, so it did work.
Yeah, it's just not. Ooh, what?
Yeah.
So this is fine.
Yeah, but we already have directly lost, so we need one of the other errors. Yeah, can you scroll
I have
down?
indirect.
Oh yeah,
Does
you have
that count?
indirect. Yeah, you have indirect. Yeah,
Okay.
indirect counts as an error.
Okay, cool. So then I combine the make file, that log, and
Yeah, I guess just zip everything and then just put it in the drive.
okay, cool. Take that, and then what else? I thought they needed 3 files. What was the third one?
I
Or
think
do they just
it
need these
just
2?
wants the code, the make file, and the log. So yeah, just zip everything.
Oh, so the D tree. Okay.
Or I think they want like all the code.
Oh, they want everything. Okay. Computer's
Yeah.
being slow, but make
Yeah,
file.
it's probably the
is-
VPN. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, get the D
It is
tree.
nice that
Yes.
we have all these files with memory leaks, so we don't really have to put a lot of work into this lab.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
Finally comes through that I can't deal with in Valgrind.
Okay.
Yeah. I guess you may want to
Yeah.
also send the mytest.cpp in it. Yeah.
Did I not
I
have that in there? I think I put everything in there, right? Let me look at it.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'm
my
blind.
test, D tree, yeah, CPP log and the make file. Okay,
Okay. Yeah, I'm
that
blind.
should be good.
I
I'll
just
go
put
ahead.
my whole project folder in there just because I didn't want to miss anything.
Right.
I think that works.
Yeah, and then I guess I'll do problem 3.
Okay. Let
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, so I guess you can
Okay.
upload it and I'll share my screen. Yeah, so invalid read means dynamic array was deleted, but then accessed after the deletion. And then conditional jump or so yeah, I think this one's pretty easy. So you can just go to project 2. Oh, I don't know how that got there. Okay, I don't know. Okay, there we go. Yeah, and then we could like Emacs one of them. And then I think the easiest would be to just go to the, because I know in the, or my rebalance command, I used an array. So we could just go to the array and then try using it.
If you just because for my array you delete it at the end of the function. So
Yeah.
basically, if you just try to access it after deleting it, like you could just try to print out the array at the end there, and that should do it, right?
Yeah. So we could probably just do cout and VS array. And then just, or I guess we do like 0.
I would just pick a number in the middle and, or like 1 or 2, just because
Okay. Yeah.
the actually, never mind. I don't know why. It doesn't make any difference, does it?
Yeah, I don't think it really matters. So I'll just put it back to
Okay.
0.
I think you need the, yeah, there you go.
And then I'll just have an extra space. And then we can close that. And then I think I need to edit my make file. So that would be
You,
the,
you want to add the log file.
yeah, and I think it's in chat. Yeah, you have it up
Yeah.
here. -- log file equals log1.txt. And then do make.
Did you have a leak check full, by the way?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, what was it? Um,
You
yeah,
do. You have leak check full.
okay. And then log1.txt. Yeah, and then we have the valid read of size 8. So yeah, so we made another error. Then
This,
Okay, I don't know how to make that easier, so I just shared my zip file with both of you.
okay, did you email it or?
I shared it through the drive.
Okay, yeah, that works. Yeah. Yeah, so
so what we, okay, is that it?
Does that
yeah,
count? Because you
I
have the
think
invalid read.
yeah, so yeah. And I'll exit the file and then I'll zip it. So yeah,
Wait, is that really all we had to do?
yeah, that was it.
That was pretty fast.
Yeah. So I guess I'll just zip mines and then upload it as well. So yeah, send to zip.
I wish we had done this in 121 though, because I feel like knowing this existed would have made my life a lot easier in 121.
Oh yeah, knowing what exactly error is being caused or which error is which.
Yeah, I really do
Yeah.
love pulling up the Valgrind help online and constantly having to go back and forth and figure out what I did and spend like 3 hours working on an error that should take me like 5 minutes to find.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Um.
So all we had to do was, in the first one, we did the definitely lost using my product 2 code. For the indirectly lost, for the second question, we used Jordan's project 1, right? And then for the
Oh, I
last one
still
to do
use
the,
Project 2, but yeah.
okay, and then so for the last one, we used Jacob's project 3 to do the access after delete.
hmm
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna share my
I'm
screen
just
again.
confused on what he asked for this first part of question 3, where he's like, while it's easy to demonstrate with a few lines, try to create a plausible mistake. And
I
I'm
mean,
like, you don't want
like
like a story, right? Like you don't need a backstory for the mistake. You just
you
comment some
just make
stuff.
the mistake.
Yeah.
Yes.
I guess to make it more believable, Jacob, for your question, you could do it as printing out the array that you rebuilt from or something like that.
Don't comment, just like straight up delete the code. Like you never wrote it in the first place.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, is it
Yeah.
believable that
I
you
mean, I
would,
think it's like believable, like any kind of error, like you forgot that you deleted it, and so you just went back and used it.
yeah,
Right.
Yeah, I guess the only other case would be like if you used it in another function.
hmm
But yeah, I mean, I find it plausible that you just forget that you even like deleted it,
Yeah.
and you have to go back.
Bryce gave us an extra day for this. This took like 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, I think it's because you released the materials late. Like you released them like on like the night of Thursday or something like that.
well, he usually does Friday morning though, right? According to his instructions, or that's what I thought it was supposed to be.
Yeah. Um So yeah, wait, where exactly did you put the file, Jordan?
Oh no, I straight up just shared it to you both. So if anything, it
Oh,
should be like your email, and it should
okay,
that right there. Yeah.
yeah, okay, yeah. I'll download that. And then I'll just rename it so it matches the others. Lab 8, Q2. Yeah. And then Q1, I believe, was, yeah, by J's, because yours had the Mac. Then this was Jordan's, because you had the My Test. And then mine was the other one. So yeah. And then we could upload all these. Yeah, and then I believe we had the make file, the code files, and the log.
Mhm.
So that should be downloads Q1. And then the other error for the dynamic array, that was Jordan's, which was Q2. So it's Q1, Q2, then Q3. Yeah, so I guess I'll submit.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Pretty good.
That
Yeah,
was pretty chill.
yeah. I mean, yeah. Okay, I guess we got auto graded.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, but I think that's it. So yeah,
Okay.
I'll email. I guess who's gonna do the survey?
I can do it again because I think Jordan did it twice in a row because I was out for the week before last, so I can just do it again this time.
Okay,
Okay.
sounds good. Yeah, I'll